65 for 2 after 5 overs. Pradeep doing a very good job. He's really batted well at 23 of 15, but getting a very important wicket, the last one of Rajiv, who's looking good. Having a good over, but then in the end, Saran getting the last laugh. Deep, the new man coming in for the Karnataka Bulldozers. Another man who can really strike big. Decent start for the Bulldozers. Going to be a change in bowling. Apoorv Lakhia now coming in, the left arm spinner. But this was the wicket. Good line as well. Sadaran bowling around the all-stump, going for the cut shot, just edging that one. Seemed to be a feather, but the finger was up and having the last laugh. Expensive over, but picking that important wicket. Lost an early wicket, but then coming back very strongly, the Bulldozers. Now 65 for 2, lost the first wicket when the score was 4. And with that also wicket, there's a change in bowling now. Apoorv Lakhia coming in. You see those flags, a lot of support here for the Bulldozers. In the comm box, I'm Ajay Mehra. With me for the first time today is Vineet Malhotra. Good afternoon, Vineet.
Good afternoon, Ajay, and very good evening to everybody watching this very interesting match. The last over, as everybody saw, was a very expensive over. 4 sixes and 30 runs gone in that particular over. Apoorv Lakhia is the new man in with the ball. Acclaimed director, directed movies such as Shootout at Lokhandwala, has also been part of certain Hollywood projects where he served as the assistant director. But his bowling skills and his batting skills will be at play and under the scanner today. And let us remind you that the Bulldozers won the toss and decided to bat first.
Yeah, in fact, the heroes wanted to field. That's exactly what Varun said. That had they also won the toss, they would have fielded first. So both the teams getting what they wanted. Bulldozers wanted to bat first. Sudeep knows that yesterday they couldn't muster too many runs. Just lost their way in the last 5 overs of the Bulldozers. But today it's a new day. They've got to make a new beginning. That's exactly what they have done so far.
And Ajay, the graph for the Bulldozers has ascended in a very dramatic fashion. 6 runs gone in the first. Second gave away 7 runs. In the 5th over, it almost reached 30 runs. And the way they have actually clinically increased, the slack and the expansion on the ball is something which is worth noting.
Just seen him in the past as well. Apoorv Lakhia is a very seasoned campaigner. Just see young kids coming in, enjoying his lovely settings here. The big final also will be played today. First league matches, and then of course the big final today evening. Karnataka strike Bulldozers. They have done a good job so far. Just the kind of start they wanted. Wants to be very precise with the field setting. Apoorv Lakhia just taking a bit of time at the moment.
Well, he's trying to hit that hard, but Apoorv Lakhia done incredibly well. And let's see the 6s that were scored in the last over. And Kabir Sadanan was the guy who actually was hit all over the park by Rajiv. And before we took off back to the dugout, he made sure he did the damage and put the Bulldozers in command.
And the 4th one was this one. Mentioned about the 4 sixes. This was the 4th of them. To see a lovely bat flow up, getting the distance half a dozen more. Very expensive over, but in the end getting that wicket as well, Sadaran. Back to live action. Coming down the track, good wrist work. He's very strong, skirt of the wicket. Oh, misfield. In the end, just making it. Lot of hesitancy in running there.
Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, home of the Hyderabad Cricket Association, has hosted 9 international matches, 4 test matches and 5 one-day internationals. Was supposed to host Ajay a T20 international as well on the October the 13th, and it was washed out. But nevertheless, a flat track, good for spinners.
Yeah, absolutely, you're right. It's a very good batting surface.
One run.
Will be 1 run more, warning the second, but the fielder coming in, charging in quickly. 68 for 2.